Welcome back. Now, ActiveCampaign does have a number of connections to third-party cloud-based applications, and you can do that through the cloud-based connector Zapier. And if you go to Zapier and you search their app directory, you can first start by typing in ActiveCampaign. What you'll want to do is you want to type in those cloud-based applications that you are currently using. For example, if we just type in the chatbot application MiniChat, you'll see that there are 131 possible integrations with ActiveCampaign. You'll also see connections between Stripe and ActiveCampaign, as well as webinar systems like GoToWebinar. Now, when you're looking at these connections, you'll notice that some of the connections are going to have the premium button there. That means then that you will need to have a paid account in order to set up a connection between ActiveCampaign and the other cloud-based application. What you'll do is you'll choose a connection. In this case, we're going to choose the connection where we're going to add an ActiveCampaign contact when there are new Stripe charges. We're going to click this button that says Try It. Now, if you already have a Stripe account connected to your Zapier account, you can then start with this specific trigger. You'll then test with your Stripe account. If you don't have a Stripe account connected to your Zapier account, you're going to need to click this button that says Connect an Account. What we can do now is we can click Save and Continue. We'll then test the charge in Stripe. And then we're going to set up our action. The action is going to be that when there's a purchase in Stripe, that's going to add a new person inside of our ActiveCampaign account. So we're now going to click Continue. Now, we may not have an ActiveCampaign account connected to our Zapier account, so we'll then click Connect an Account. Now, in order to connect, we are going to need to go inside of our ActiveCampaign account and get the API URL. We're also going to need the unique API key for our ActiveCampaign account. Now, we'll find that information inside of our settings and then inside of our developer tab. We'll then need to copy in the URL as well as the key. Once we've connected, we can then click the test button. Once the test is successful, we can then click Save and Continue. We'll then need to fill in some preliminary information. Once we have the information, we'll then click Continue. We'll then send the test. And once we do that, we can then turn on our Zap. And basically, now whenever we have a Stripe purchase, that person will be then added to our ActiveCampaign account. Now, every connection works differently inside of Zapier depending on which application you're going to be connecting to ActiveCampaign. So you'll need to walk through the steps in a similar manner, even if you don't have the exact same steps that were just displayed in this video. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I'll see you in another video.